Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming readiness. You want assurance from a clinician that the wound is healed and safe for suture removal. Once done, make sure you have appointment documentation, current medications listed, and a clean, well-lit area to review the site together. Do not attempt removal without professional approval. Instead, prepare to describe any changes, redness, drainage, numbness, so your provider can decide timing. Make sure to avoid smoking or heavy activity the day before, since circulation and healing matter. You will be told exactly what the clinician is looking for: scar edges that meet with minimal tension, no purulent drainage, and mobile skin. Once the provider explains sensations, mild pulling, brief pricks, you can request local numbing if anxiety or area sensitivity is high. The provider will also advise on timing, because different body areas follow different healing schedules. Make sure to ask about activity limits and pain control. Understanding why each step matters reduces surprise and helps you cooperate. Once the sutures are removed, you should expect a neatly approximated incision and short-term tenderness. Gentle cleansing and a protective covering for 24 to 48 hours is commonly advised. Make sure to avoid heavy strain until tissue regains strength, and follow your clinician's scar care plan. If you see spreading redness, increasing pain, fever, draining pus, or any loss of sensation, contact your provider immediately. Key troubleshooting tip: if healing seems stalled or a stitch area reopens, seek prompt professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.